Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is MANBROWSE TV. If this is your first time to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will get new videos each moment I upload. Today I'm gonna show you a website that paid you real money to watch video. Wow, it's quite amazing. Real money to watch video. Without wasting much time, let's get into the video. So first of all, you go to your browser and click and then type cashkick.com. You wait for it to load. So this is the website. This is the website cashkick.com. So as you can see, they say cash is the greatest rewards, and here they say we will deposit cash into your account for all the fun thing you are already doing online. That is and here they said get paid directly to your PayPal account. Wow, that is, if you have PayPal account, you will just get instant paid on each video you watch. And here, this is answer survey. This is fine, great deal, but we are focusing on watch video online. Here watch the video, and they said we will deposit your earning into your PayPal account, that is directly, and they said our platform is free. We will never charge you for anything, and we will always ask your consent before depositing funds. So this website is good. You can start earning by watching videos, and you can watch videos at home, even in your television. You can connect and start earning money. Guys, this is a great opportunity. You can use this to start building your future. You can use this for your financial assistance. You can use this to minimize your income. So I think that's all for this website. It's a very good website. I trusted it, I've tested it, and it pays. So guys, the second website we are going to check is animationarena.com. animationarena.com. This is their website. So this is animationarena.com. You can check here and see. This is animationarena.com. This is what they are doing. So but for you to get the page that will enable you to watch a video, this website, the other website we use, Cash Kick, you will only watch videos and get paid. But Animation Arena, you will watch video and review before you will get paid. So for you to go to the page that you can start watching your videos and make the review, you go to Google and type Animation Arena. Animation, as you can see here, Animation Arena get paid to watch and review. Animation Arena get paid to watch and review. Then you wait for the page to load. Now the page has been loaded. You click here, get paid to write video games. Then you click here. This is your website. So this is the page that will enable you to watch the video and review. So as you can see, they said you will get $15 per review with a maximum of 10 review per month. That is, if you are using single Google account, but you can use even 1 to 10 Google account, which will enable you to get $150 per month. So this is their email address. As you can see, they said if you are interested in writing for Animation Arena, please send us an email with a two sample of your writing. With a two sample of your writing to this their email address. So this some part of information that will also be sent to them. They said your name, age, say what subject would you like to review. And another important information is that each review will need to be a minimum of 550 words long. That is, should be a minimum of 550 words and must be original. They said it must be original. So here, and they said at the end of each review, please rate the material on a scale of 1 to 10. That is, you should tell them how good the material is from 1 to 10. I think, guys, this website is good. Don't forget, if you type animationarena.com, it will take you to their main website. But for you to reach here, you have to type Animation Arena, get paid to watch videos and review. It will bring you to this website. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to your friends. Thanks a lot.